You hear him before you see him, his voice thin and repetitive, blending into the low mechanical hum of the room as if the walls themselves are absorbing his fear. The air smells like damp concrete and iron, and when you step forward, your shoes scrape lightly against the floor, a small sound that feels louder than it should, and you're told to make him stop, permanently, in the same flat tone used for routine instructions, and you realize this moment is not sudden but the result of a slow progression that began with simple driving routes at night, sealed packages you never opened, and corners you watched without understanding why, until months passed and silence replaced explanations, and then came the test that changed your role without ceremony, pushing you into a system where every action is measured, every mistake absorbed, and every person replaceable, where days are divided into surveillance, collection, and enforcement, and you learn patterns faster than names, learning who pays on time, who delays, and who needs correction, all while promotions arrive quietly, marked only by increased risk and less supervision. And over the years, you begin to see the structure beneath it all, a layered system built on unspoken rules, no questions, no records, no attachments, where memory replaces documentation and obedience replaces judgment.